In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a bullet puller to remove a bullet from a casing. Depending on your model of bullet puller, it should consist of a handle, a threaded nut, and a small insert that will hold your shell. This specific model uses 3 separate pieces that are held together by a small O-ring. The first step is to select the proper size insert for your casing. In this demonstration, I'm using a 223 round, so the middle one is the best fit. The first step is to get your casing and slide it through the flat side of your insert. The lip of your casing will catch right here on this flat surface. So I'm going to slide it in like this, and it should click into place. As you can see, it is secured in the insert. Next step is to get the handle and insert the bullet in first like this, and it will just sit here. Then you will need to get the nut and screw it on. As you can see, the bullet is still secured in the insert. Here's the bullet on the inside of your handle. The idea is to swing the handle and strike a surface right here. The momentum of the bullet will cause it to lunge forward and hopefully slide out of the crimped casing. You might have to do this several times if it's firmly crimped in the casing. Now I'm going to demonstrate hammering until it comes out. Also, I might add, you don't want to hit this on a hard surface because this is just plastic. So I'm going to use wood, which will dent and not cause this to shatter. Here's my handle with the bullet inside. You can still see it right here. Here's the bullet, here's the casing. I'm going to strike this end down right here on the table several times until I look and see the bullet come out. If this is a live round, there will be a bunch of gunpowder. Don't forget, because when you open this, it might come out. So here we go. I can hear the bullet rattling around, so it seems like it has come loose finally. So be careful when you remove this, if this is a live round, because there is gunpowder. So remove your shell. You can see there's no bullet on it. At this point, if there was gunpowder, you would reclaim it carefully, so you would just pour it out right here and collect your gunpowder and reuse it. Here's your bullet. It shouldn't be damaged, and you could reuse the bullet as well. I hope this video was helpful. It showed you how to remove the bullet using a normal store-bought bullet puller. If this was helpful for you, please like and subscribe for more do-it-yourself and how-to videos.